Hello everyone, my name is Dave Rogers and I'm the president at SUNY Morrisville. As you can see, it's safe for me to remove my mask as I speak with you remotely. But I must say that this mask, this face covering, we all wear proudly at Morrisville. You probably know that Morrisville is the home of the Mustangs, and Mustangs are a rare breed of animal that are fiercely independent, but when challenged, thrive together. We like to think of ourselves as being Mustang Strong, and this device, this face covering, in these recent months has proven to be a valuable asset. The college has recently gone through significant upgrades in terms of physical amenities on the campus. We've taken this COVID pause period to engage in significant construction upgrades. We've been able to enhance our campus in ways that are consistent with our mission. All of our faculty and students learn to be very innovative and responsive to changing conditions, like we've exhibited with the virus. In particular here at Morrisville, no doubt you're aware that our faculty and students engage in very specialized kinds of education. So across the entire campus and across the breadth of our programs, we have students that are doing the kinds of things with faculty and with their friends and peers to learn how to become the professionals that they aspire to be. When students leave Morrisville as graduated Mustangs, they know that they can work either individually or together to assume great things, because that's the DNA that exists at Morrisville. I think it's a very special place where many thousands of graduates have come here and have become extremely successful in their professional lives. I hope you'll consider coming to Morrisville as well.